Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find your HMD Pulse Plus if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is. And to do this, there's a few things you will need to do first. If you don't have them, then sadly this option won't work. So first of all, you need to have your Google Assistant working on a lock screen. It also needs to remember your voice, and when you have that, then all you have to do is just ask to either play any song or a music, or with the phrase, "Where are you?" That way your phone should make a sound, and then it should be easy to find. It goes like this: "Hey Google, where are you?"
Peekaboo, I'm over here.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.